Hello all, just to check in on you guys preparing for Hari Raya. What are you all up to now?
Hey Russell! COVID-19 has definitely changed a few things during this year's Hari Raya period. For one especially, the bazaar. The bazaar plays a big role for those celebrating Hari Raya. The bazaar is the only time where all the different types of Malay cuisines are sold in one particular area, as well as many new and interesting food creations, which I personally look forward to. On top of that, the Geylang Bazaar is beautifully decorated with colorful lights. As you can see from this picture, it is very colorful. It is truly very weird to not be able to experience this for the first time. However, despite the current situation, there are many websites that you can order from to enjoy your favorite bazaar treats. For example, a famous drink stall that is well known in the bazaar, called Broti, has set up their own online website which continues to sell the drink despite not having the real bazaar.
Wow, the Ramadan Bazaar is really shook, Erica. You have something for me, Laith?
Of course, Rusty Dusty. Let me show you a little flashback from yesterday. Darn, my bank account is looking kind of dusty right now. Usually on Hari Raya I'd be counting stacks. But due to the current social climate as a result of the novel coronavirus, which began its outbreak in late 2019, the local Singaporean government has attempted to curb the spread of the virus through social distancing measures, which aims to limit the amount of interactions one has, not only protecting the more vulnerable members of society, but also so as to not overload our healthcare systems. Furthermore, would you look at that?
Hey Pops, Selamat Hari Raya.
Hello, Sunny boy. Selamat Hari Raya. How are you doing?
All good, Gramps. Maaf Zahir dan Batin. This is a common greeting used during this period where it loosely translates to I seek physical and spiritual forgiveness from you.
Huh? Who are you talking to?
Oh, what? Oh, nothing. Don't worry about it.
Ah, thank you, Leif. Such a good boy. You are forgiven.
Anything else? Wow, thank you so much, Gramps. So generous. The current situation as it is, many are now turning to pay now as a means of transferring Duit Raya, a common Southeast Asian tradition. Back to you, Rusty.
Wow, that's really cool, Laith. I think you should pay now, me now. Haha, get it? Ria, what about you?
Hey guys, let's get changed first. Hey Russell, so although Hari Raya is a bit different this year, we can still call our friends and family through video calls, and so right now I'm about to call my friends, so yeah.
Hi guys, it's Adam. I'm here in my home and I have all these different traditional Raya treats. I can't wait to try them. Selamat Hari Raya!
Hi everybody, I'm Gina from SJI, and here's just a quick sneak peek at what us Egyptians do during Eid or Hari Raya. So most of the time we like to start off with a breakfast filled with cookies and tea. Anyways, I've got to go eat all that now. Eid Mubarak and happy Hari Raya to all.
Okay, for our Eid feast, we have a Persian cuisine with a meat platter, so lamb and Persian rice. Selamat Hari Raya and Eid Mubarak!
On Eid, Muslims wear their best traditional clothing to honor the day. In Pakistan, we wear what is called a kameez shalwar, which is what this is. So, Salamat Hari Raya and Eid Mubarak.
Hello, my name is Shayan. I live in the Pakistani household, and this year Eid is really different for us. But nonetheless, we really enjoyed it. We ate some traditional food and we talked to some family and friends. Salamat Hari Raya and Eid Mubarak.
Wow, guys, I have to say, this has been a very enriching Skype call. Thanks for sharing all of this information with me. I've learned a lot about the ways you all celebrate this wonderful festivity. I know we're all stuck at home due to the COVID-19 situation, but this gives us an opportunity to celebrate in a way that is different from previous years. So with a twist of technology, the get-together for Hari Raya is still possible because of every one of you. So before we hang up, we would all like to wish you a Salamat Hari Raya and Eid Mubarak.